Sir Prime Minister?
The Prime Minister.
Sir, just a quick shot.
Yeah, man, come here.
Just a quick shot, sir.
Come my
Prime
front,
Minister.
come my front, come my front.
I'm great, I'm great.
Alright, just a, alright.
It's
Again, one.
You get that?
Yeah, make
Yeah,
it.
man.
Done.
Yeah, but yung
Which one? Oh, oh.
may isang member, yung pay. Wala pa siya mo.
Ayan, Pittsburgh mo.
Yun ang po, it's a post malice watch it.
Oh.
Malaman na siya ting. Malaman na siya. From water. Everybody. Prime Minister na ako sa Africa. At hindi na masal. Hindi niya rin. Hindi niya rin. After every day,
So that's Prime Minister Andrew Onus. Just arriving at the official grand opening of the Harmony Beach Park.
Was the patron and entrepreneurial spirit made on earth supported by the then government that resulted in the dredging and dumping of the Falkland Islands, Craig Montego, and this dredging.
The Urban Development Corporation, and then the contracting company is Jamaica. So very big park, guys. I like it personally. Lots of space, lots of lawn, lots of green space, lots of benches. So you can have recreational, grass type activities plus recreational beach type activities. So I love the concept. I know I mentioned Emancipation Park before, but what that is missing is the beach. And here in Montego Bay, they have the beach and they have the park. And then over that side, we have basketball court. I think tennis and kids play areas over that side as well. Alright, so they have been working on this park probably say probably 2 years, and you know, I'm happy that it's finally now open. And this is a great development for the city of Montego Bay. Alright guys, so the Harmony Beach Park, that's where we're at today. So we're at the grand opening ceremony. This was formerly called the Dump Up Beach or the Close Harbor Beach. So there's a lot of renovation that took place. As you can see, we have the beach area right here in the city of Montego Bay, right on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. There's lots of shops, lots of seating area as well, lifeguard area. So today for the opening ceremony, we have the Prime Minister. We also have Dr. Oris Chang and other official members as well. So lots of shops, jogging trail, boardwalk, changing room, shower, recreational area for both kids, multi-purpose courts, lots of seats. So this was piloted by the UDC, and the project is basically finished, and that's why we're having the grand opening ceremony today. So let me know your thoughts, let me know what you think, share your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe as well. And again, this is in the heart of Montego Bay, so similar to Emancipation Park in Kingston, this is the Harmony Beach Park. So you'll have park settings plus a beach. I am sure sometime in the future I'll be visiting here, just to experience the amenities and everything. So you have lots of green space as well, and not to mention you have the beach area behind me, so you can swim, nice sand, and again you have a lot of different shops that will be coming in, food, I'm thinking craft items and different stuff as well. So let me know your thoughts guys, let me know what you think. You know, it's Rush, always bringing you guys the content, and again right next to the beach, so apology for any wind noise. And again, the developer is UDC, that's the urban development. Guys, so we have changing room and locker area. So this will be a public beach, 100% free. The cost of this project was 1.3 billion Jamaican dollars, so that's the cost to put this together. And right here we have the multi-purpose court, basketball, and I'm sure netball can be played as well. I'm a football lover, haven't seen any football area yet, but I'm sure that can be played on the sand as well. So Harmony Beach Park, that's the new name. I know a lot of persons have been asking for an update, but here we are today, the grand opening ceremony. Live and living colors. So this is a great addition to Montego Bay, and again I'm just showing you guys around the area a little bit more. Right, so that's the beach area. Then right behind me would be Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, so that's right behind me. So that's showing you guys around the place. So as I mentioned, I'm sure when it's open I'll be coming back here, just for my first experience with the beach and just the general park as well. And it's good that it's free. At least they didn't put a big cost to it, so this is something that everyone can enjoy. This is one of the play area for kids. Just gonna take a quick look. So guys, thanks for watching so far. And again, you know, it's Rush the Discover Boss, always trying to bring you guys all the content I can, all the different variety of content. So all this is a part of the Harmony Beach Park. And they also have shops available for rent. So you can go on the UDC website if you want to own one of these shops over here. The landscaping is good as well. So the grass had time to grow. Not a lot of flowers, but a lot of vegetation nevertheless. You have different gazebos as well around the place. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the duration. It started, the groundbreaking ceremony was February of 2019, so it's a little over 2 years they took. So leave your thoughts, guys, leave your comments, let me know. Lots of seats, lots of areas to chill, just to unwind and enjoy nature. So this is one of the very first video you guys will see of the new park. So share this as well, guys. Share it so that everyone in Montego Bay can see what's happening here. You know, can come over on a hot sunny afternoon, enjoy the complex. Share it on your WhatsApp status, share it on your Instagram. So share it that persons abroad can also see some of the good things that's happening in Jamaica. We know lots of crime is here, but there are also some good things that is happening as well. So let's highlight that. Alright, so these are some of the available shops. We know food, beverages are some of the stuff that will be needed. Harmony Beach Park. So again, this was formerly called the Dump Up Beach, or the Closed Arbor Beach. Alright guys, so that's a quick tour, a quick review, a quick show around, however you want to call it. So lots of space over here, again lots of seats. I know with COVID that has changed everything, because I know like before COVID even the Emancipation Park used to close like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. so persons can jog after work, exercise after work. But COVID have changed a lot of things, but I'm sure when the sun is setting this should be a very, very pretty sight. And again guys, leave your comments, remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share. Then on the outside, which is the main entrance, you have the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard right here on the Montego Bay Hip Strip. We have KFC across the road, along with some other plazas as well. So this is the intersection of Howard Cook Boulevard and Queens Drive, and also Jimmy Cliff Boulevard as well. Alright, so they renamed the park from the Dump Up Beach or the Closed Harbor Beach via a competition, a public competition. So I'm thinking that Harmony Beach Park was the best name, and the name that most persons voted for, because that's what we have now as the name of this park. So well needed, well deserved for the city of Montego Bay.
Of sharing the groundbreaking exercise for what was then called Closed Harbor or Dump Up Beach by us Montegonians. The video presentation, I recall, was very captivating and had us in high anticipation for a day like today. There have been many challenges along the way, but the UDC and the supporting agencies stuck to their guns, and we're here to celebrate. And what a fitting name, be a place for health and wellness, a place to even make memories. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us. The Most Honorable Andrew Holness, Prime Minister, Dr. the Honorable Horace Chang, Deputy Prime Minister and the Member of Parliament for St. James Northwest. In absentia, our Honorable Minister of
Thank you very much, Madam Director of Protocol and Master of Ceremony, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. You have encouraged us to adopt the protocol, but such adoption cannot be my strategy, as this is such by the standing protocol, which is to acknowledge the august body of individuals gathered here, directly so. So let me acknowledge the President of the Republic of Montego Bay, Dr. the Honorable Horace Chang, Deputy Prime Minister and Member of Parliament for St. James Northwest, in whose constituency this park is located. Then let me acknowledge Mrs. Marlene Mallow Ford, the Attorney General of Jamaica and Member of Parliament for the adjoining constituency of St. James West Central. Let me acknowledge Mr. Leroy Clark, Member of Parliament for another adjoining constituency, St. James Central. Let me acknowledge Senator Charles Sinclair, Councillor for the Montego Bay North East Division. Is this the division in which the party? But the constituency. Acknowledge the chairman, primarily for the benefit of the residents of Montego Bay and St. James and the wider Jamaican public. Now, just 3 years later, and despite the challenges posed by the pandemic, we are here at Harmony Beach Park. The project has evolved tremendously over the past several years, from Dump Up Beach to closed harbor, and finally the Harmony Beach Park. I certainly did not like the name Dump Up Beach. As a non-Montegonian myself, I inquired why was it called Dump Up Beach. I finally got the answer. Thank you. I couldn't understand why close the harbor. Just didn't sound elegant enough. And finally, we got a name through consultation. A name which is really relevant to the time. Harmony Beach Park. Because if it is one thing that we really need in our community, in our household, in our country, it's harmony. So, this is really the people's park. Raise your family and retire in paradise. God bless you.
Let's come back a little bit. Come back.
Alright guys, the official photo, Harmony Beach Park. You see it here first.
Thank you so much. Space. Space, please.
Alright, great.
One more. For the other people. They're coming?
Hey, let's watch them behind car too. You're not too good. We ain't doing it. You talk now. To argue. Oh, you. Sorry,
Alright, so ribbon cutting ceremony. Harmony Beach Park.
I think so.
Alright, after 1 million, we shall give it now. 1 million!